Hi, my name is Rosa and I am here today to show you how to clean your AirPods. I'm sorry about the pictures, but come on, this is reality. All of us, we have earwax. I'm gonna help you to go from this to this. Let's get to it. Step number 1. You want to get a blue tack, or what I got here, it's a removable mounting putty. This is the start ingredient. You're gonna use this to remove the dirt from your headphones. You want to get these ones, the ones that look like dough kind of thing. This one specifically has 4 strips, and I'm not gonna use all of them, but I'm gonna keep some for later on. I got this one in Michael's. It cost me $5.30 US dollars, but I saw them also in Target, Walmart, Dollar Store. I saw, I think, Blue Tech in Dollar Store, but I got this one. Step number 2, you want to get your AirPods and get familiar to them. I'm sure you're familiar, but make sure what you want to clean. For example, I see this area on the speaker that has the earwax for sure. We're gonna be cleaning those. However, I also don't know if you noticed, but I can see a little holes. Probably there is dust in it and need to be cleaned. Step number 3. What you're gonna do here, you're gonna start opening the removable mounting putty, and we're gonna get a small piece out of it. You don't need everything again, but what we're gonna do, we're gonna get a small piece. This is like a dough, so it's very sticky. And what you're going to do now is a small ball. It's like a Play-Doh. Play-Doh. So you want to make a small ball, and you will use all the surface around the ball to get all the dirt from your AirPods. Once you use all the surface, the clean surface, you can break it into 2 and use the new clean surface on these new parts. And you have new clean areas to clean with. Step number 4. This is the time to clean. So get your AirPods and get the little mountain putty. The first part that I want to clean is the speaker. So get the putty and you press over the speaker gently, and then you remove it. Did you see that magic happening? Yes, it is disgusting, but you will get your clean AirPods. You will keep repeating this step until your AirPods are completely clean, or there is no dirt coming from the little holes. This is awesome! Now remember step number 3. You open the little bowl to get more clean surface, and then you keep cleaning. Perfect. For your AirPod case, it will be the same. You follow step number 1, it's already done. 2, get familiar with your AirPod case. See where all the dirt is. I know everything is mainly inside. And then you follow number 3. Get a small little bowl from the putty. And number 4, start cleaning. For the AirPods case, you have to be careful not to put putty inside there because the connectors for the chargers are inside and we don't want to mess with that. I will just press the putty on this area here to get all the dirt that it comes out of it, and that's it. Do not put anything inside. It could be stuck. I didn't even try. You also are going to be tempted to close this. My advice is not to do that. You could break the connector here. We don't want to do that either. The best thing that we can do, just press gently over the area that you want to clean. I noticed that this works pretty well with the AirPods, but with the AirPods case, there's some of the dirt that doesn't come off. Be careful, you don't want to push too much to the back. You don't want to break it at the end and gotta buy a new one. Just gentle pressure. And that's our clean case. I hope you are happy with the results. I am for sure. I hope you enjoy your clean AirPods, and I'm pretty sure you're gonna be using this method all the time they get dirty. I will see you soon in the next video. Thanks for watching. Bye! Step number 1. You need to buy a mountain removable to doesn't matter. It doesn't matter. Everyone can hear you. This is what you want, so perfect.